Are you tired of manually installing themes and plugins every time you set up a WordPress website? We've got you covered. Introducing custom WordPress templates, an exclusive feature for CloudStick business plan customers. Designed to make WordPress deployment faster and hassle-free. Building your own WordPress template is quick and easy. Here's how. First, go to WordPress Templates. Navigate to the WordPress Templates section from your CloudStick dashboard. Click Create Template. Start crafting your personalized WordPress setup. Third, name your template. Give it a meaningful name for easy identification. Fourth, select a theme. Choose from a variety of available WordPress themes. Fifth, pick your plugins. Add essential plugins to enhance functionality. Finally, click Create Template. Your custom template is now ready. Once your template is created, installing WordPress with your predefined setup is effortless. Go to the WordPress installation page, select your custom template. Deploy WordPress instantly with your chosen settings. With CloudStick's custom WordPress templates, you can launch fully configured WordPress websites in just a few clicks. This powerful feature is exclusive to business plan customers. Thank you for choosing CloudStick, where website management meets simplicity.